Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. So guys, as we discuss every day, this is not a tip. Okay, this is just my view on market, how I'm going to trade it. Just use this as references. Okay, so we are starting off with Nifty. So Nifty, what happened today? Today in the morning, just a minute. Today in the morning, market did open flat. Okay, it did open flat, and what happened? It went up and it was sideways, as we already discussed yesterday and on 2-3 videos. Market has already gave us a very good rally above. Okay, it was a very good rally, almost a rally of 1000 points. Okay, so now it's exhausted. So this is happening because of the exhaustion. So will the market go up or down? Here nobody can tell it. If somebody is telling you it will go up, it will go down, all that is bullshit. Don't ever conclude all that. Okay, so but keep your levels intact. That is, if it crosses 2096 or 20970, after that I will be buying it. I'll be selling post 20725. Okay, so these are my levels. Always work on probability. Market only works on probability, it doesn't work on the people's opinions. Okay, so I hope you guys understand that. So most probably we can expect even a sideways tomorrow. It's because of the huge rally. So let's see how the market works. But today our stop loss did not get hit. Market's on the same level. Okay, after this big candle, I was thinking it might breach down, but fortunately the next candle came up and it started going up slowly. So I did not make any fresh levels for now. This is the same level like yesterday. Okay, so next is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, what happened? It breached from the support. Support was broken, but then it went back, and this trend line got respected properly. Okay, this trend line got respected properly. What happened tomorrow? If market opens anywhere near 46,840 or 46,890, and if it comes down, I'll be definitely shorting it. But I'll be shorting only a small quantity. It's because it's a counter trend. So if I short it here, there is a probability for it to come till 46,486. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting. I'll be buying only after this level, that is 46,980 and above is where I'll be buying, because till then I'm expecting it to be sideways. Next is US oil. US oil, we have taken a trade here. So what happened? We are still stuck with 3 trades. One is this, which has a risk to reward ratio of 1:10. Okay, 1:10. Next one is this, because the market closed, I was still holding both of these positions. So what happened? It started going up, now started breaching down. I drew this trend line in the evening, and now it has breached. If you guys see, it broke, retested, again broke. Okay, many people would have bought here, but market is negative, why will I buy? And if you see, these highs were never taken out. That was the reason for me to shorting this, and because the market is negative, I'm holding it till 68 dollars. Okay, I'm holding it till $68.50 something. Let's see. Next is gold. Gold, same thing. What happened? This trend line was there in gold. We did not enter anywhere here. Manipulation happened, and after that market went up. Here this high was taken. That was 2035 high was taken. I did not enter. It's because we know it is on a negative sentiment. Once it came down, even I did not enter here because market did not give me an opportunity. So I'm waiting for this level to be taken out, that is 2025 level to be taken down, and after that we'll be entering it. We'll be shorting the gold. Once we short, we can definitely look forward for a target of 2011. We have 4 stocks for swing. First is Z. Z has given a breakout on a weekly time frame. Okay, it has given a breakout, but this is a zone where I'm actually scared to enter, so I will be entering post 278 or 280, and my stop loss would be at 256, 255. Okay, so this will be the stop loss. Next is Voltas. Voltas on a daily time frame. So what happened? It came down. Okay, went up and came down. This acted as a support. Okay, so 748 rupees acted as a very good support. Then it started going up. This low was not broken. This low was not broken. This acted as a good support. Now it has started going up. We can expect a target of 911 most probably. So I'll be entering at 860, 865 or 870. I'll be entering. My stop loss will be at 850. Okay, next is Texmaco. Texmaco is crossing its all-time high. If you guys see on a weekly time frame, yeah, it's crossing its all-time high, and that is the only reason for me to enter this trade. If it becomes negative, then it forms a double top. Amateur traders who come new into the markets, you know what they do once they see double top, they start shorting it. They don't see the smaller price action. Okay, so if the market is bullish, always go on its side until unless the highest, that is this low, is not taken. Don't short it. Yeah, this is what professionals do. They don't short immediately once it turns. So I hope you guys understand that. Texmo 160 plus is where I'll be buying. That is anywhere above 160 I'll look forward to buy, and my stop loss will be my stop loss will be at 150. That is 10 rupees of stop loss in Texmaco. Next is Home First FinCorp on a weekly time frame. This is also crossing its all-time high. Okay, I want it to sustain at least one or two candles here. It shouldn't go up straight like that. Okay, so if it comes anywhere at 995 or 9 or 1000 rupees, I'll be definitely buying it, and my stop loss will be at 945. Alright, so that's it for today's market analysis video. I hope you guys got something to learn in this. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe. Your support will be definitely appreciated. Take care. Bye bye.